Hang on. I think I'm streaming. It's probably a good idea if I check. View your channel. Yeah. Alright. Nice. Good morning. Today we are just sort of finishing off a couple things for the game. So, basically, if we click play, hopefully it works. There's been a lot of changes since the last time I did a stream on the game. So there's a collect all button in the center, which you press to collect the money. I don't know what the last time I moved this over. I had to redo a lot of code for the prompts because it was really, really bad before. Yeah, so today though, I'm going to start off with just a couple miscellaneous things that I've missed, like rewards being not sized properly. And the potions UI looks a bit odd. I don't know why it looks so stretched out like that, but it's fine. But the actual potions aren't showing up. Did something wrong. Oh yeah, and I did load text labels on top of these, so it's basically done. Cool. Let's finish it off. Well, it's not very good. Nice. Where should I go? Probably... where would be potions? Yeah. It's probably a bit more like it. And then there was the index frame. Okay. How big is this? 880, and this is 833. So if we try like 820, it might work. Let's take a gander. That's not good. Shop rebirth index. We're looking for alright awards. That seems to have worked. Nice. Potions, no. These need to be sized in as well. Only a tiny bit, looks like, though. Potions, potion frame, 800. 7:47, so 7:35. Let's see how that works. It's still clipping on the scrolling wheel thing, scrolling bar, so 7:30, I guess. Okay. No, bit more. Surely 7:20 it'll be fixed. Yeah, that's good. Do these work yet? They do not. I should probably make them work before I release the game. I need to make a dull version of this button as well. So let's do that really quickly. Alright. Yeah. Showing it colors. Fairly sure this could be, yeah. Something like that. Maybe a bit darker. Dark green. There. That looks good. I had my mic turned off again. I keep doing that. Oh well. Well, it wasn't like that bad. It just makes it a bit quieter. Cool. Let's take this. Where are we going? UI potions. 158x 58. Can't purchase. Cool. Let's import that. Should be in the group, right? Import potions. Can't purchase. purchase. Alright, cool. That's a bit weird. Why'd they edit it? It used to just be able to copy the ID. Well, here. Monetization. Where's image? Here. Stock. Image. I think it should go a bit more like this. Oh. Stop shop dot dot potions dot cash purchase else return dot cart purchase. That should be good. Now, where is making the actual things work? Do I have the product IDs? Yeah. IDs. 4 local, what am I gonna call it? Purchase signal. Oh wait, no, that's a different module. Monetization service register IDs. Branch. Local branch. Potion service. Potions. Alright. I'm fairly sure that first is the branch, that's the player, and this is info, and that's extra, which we probably don't need for this. How do I give them the potion here? Cool. Does not equal branch, then turn in. Alright, is that it? should change the text stroke as well. But yeah, that seems to work. And let me clear out my inventory. Oh. Wow. Nice, it works. Mutation lock. Yeah, that seems to work. I feel like that's basically the majority of the stuff I need to do. There's a couple things that I've been told I should add as well. Let me see. Alright. Let's take a look. Badges. The free spin wasn't working for some reason. Let me take a look at that. Where is it? Not here. It should work, right? It looks like it should work. Okay, is spins in the data template? It is. So, and it is in the player added. You serious? I didn't add it into the... I might just be blind. Here. I didn't add it into player added, okay. Well, that's probably why I'm having issues here. After camera and UI service. I can probably just put it like here. Oh, where's the server script? Added. Soft player threads. Okay, not. Forgot to, I guess finish the script then, gee. Task cancel? Play removed. Okay. Now we'll see if we get any errors. I also got help from someone saying I should add GUIs over here saying what these stores do. Like Gary opens the potions and here's where you sell. So I'll do that. Also, I think if a purchase is made, is it announced in the chat still? Doesn't seem to be working. Okay, there we go. So we should do that for everything as well. Let's take a look. Where would that be? I'm guessing it's in the shop somewhere. Yeah. Okay, so if I buy an offer, it would do it as well, but if it's a general reward, okay, let's take a look at general rewards. Type.reward info. Type. Oh man, it's slightly difficult to make a thing for. Alright, let's just get rid of that for now. What's going on in potion service? Oh. Okay, let's just do the UI right now. I think that's OBS, not what I'm looking for. Alright. Data 1. Gain collide, no. We'll just set size to 1. Attachment. Billboard GUI. Text label. And an image, I think. Okay. Let's set this guy's primary part really quickly. It's, would it be start offset or size offset? One size, I'd say 10.4. No. 10.0.4.0. Might be a bit too small from far away. 10.10. Okay. Size offset is not the way to go. Okay. There. Text label. Where's text color? Here. Scaled. Builder sans extra bold. No, this is potion. Center. 0.50%. position 0.5010. Okay, that's not working. This needs to be 1. There we go. Yeah, stroke 2. Okay, what's its size? 0.20. Yeah, probably works. Alright. This guy. I need to add an image for him. We'll just add that for now. Size 0.8. Oh. Yep, that works. Alright, let me get a picture up. Alright, let me get a picture up. Add image. Choose file. Potion. Okay, this is the wrong start icon pack. 2.0. Potions 2. What color? Blue, green, red, yellow. I feel like a green might be nice, or a red. Let's try red outline. That's pretty cool. Where's is light influence on here? Yeah. I'm all the way over here. That's not going to be giving me much information. I can set it to offset, but I feel like that's just not going to be the greatest way to go about it. So I'm just leaving it at that, I think. Just copy and paste. Okay. Do not copy and paste. Duplicate. Selling shop. Where's primary part here? Image. Do I have money in here? I should have it in asset manager. There it is. Copy. Text label that changes to the cell. Why isn't this changing? There. Alright. That's nice. let's take another gander at the game and see what needs fixing. I feel like potions should be their icons. Rebirth. Yeah, let's add icons for potions. I've already got them over here, so what's going on? Let's take a gander at inventory service. Attributes, create tool. Else if toolinfo.type equals potion potions stock toolinfo.name dot image. Okay, let's take a look and see if that works. Oh yeah, it's working. Cool. So my inventory. Alright. Let's, these need to be formatted. I thought I already did that, but I guess they are not formatted. What's that gonna be? Plot surface? Plot button. Stand cost. Client. Okay. Nice. What next? Let's take a look at some notes. UI is too big. I disagree. Well, I can't be bothered changing the size anymore. But just create, open the create, walk on the button to open create. blah blah blah. Have I done that? Have show mutation on the crate when they have one, add tooltips to basic commands. So, I feel like I did that. Yeah. Golden. Cool. Collect all. Does that play a noise when I step on that? It does. Don't leave. Make the don't leave part of the data. That's probably a good idea. Okay. Leaving reward. If not, data service get exit reward. Service set exit reward true. Cool. Let's claim reward. We've got to go into data template as well. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, there's an error. A lot of errors. Alright, okay. Forgot to remove them from the startup. Here. Cool. Claimed it. Now we leave. Join back, and hopefully it doesn't prompt me again when I exit. Cool. Nice. That's done. What else? Maybe a couple signs around for monetization or something. I don't know. I feel like it's basically done at the moment. And really not much point in continuing to work on this project. And it should be out this weekend. So I can work on other stuff. Yeah, it's getting a bit brighter in my room now. It's kind of nice. let's take a look. I don't know if I showed, but the game, I made a couple new icons for it, so this is the best one I've made. Let's go. Yeah, so I've got a couple icons that I'm gonna run. Let's see. Add. Advertise. Alright. Add blockers. This one. How do I create an exception for like one site? I'll just turn it off. Create a ad account. Alright. Where am I located? Australia. What GMT is that? Eastern Daylight. GMT plus 11, I guess. Create a campaign. All players, new players. Show add to haven't played your experience. For 180 days plus or ever. All players, show your players regardless of their past activity. Yeah. Auto reload credit is not exactly what I was hoping to do. And how do I do this? Oh, payment settings, I see. Add payment method. How many ad credits? 100? I can do 100, 120, 40, 150, 160? Okay, not 160, 155, 156, 157, 158, 158, 159, no, 158. I don't think I'll buy the ads just yet, but it's good to know I can at least get a couple ad credits in. Okay, am I still blocking? No, I'm not. Alright. Badges. That was one of the other things I should add. run a couple ads on. Let's badges. That's what I was talking about. So last game I spelt out the entire name in badges, and what's this game's name? Wait, how many badges per row? Okay. In like a profile. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ZOMBIE. Yeah, doesn't matter if it's 6. Cool. Let's make some icons. Should I implement the forever pack before I release it? I've done all the logic and everything, so it's probably a cool idea to just add it. Oh, what did I do? Not what I was trying to do. Let's yoink this. Put on some music. It's gonna be a circle, right? It converts it to a circle. Yeah, it looks like it turns into a circle, so, get rid of that. You don't need that. Big Z. Cool. Okay. Stroke. Bit of green in it, maybe. Make it a bit thicker. That's good. I'll leave it at that. Let's scale this fella properly. Or this one. Okay. So, copy. Maybe a nice red would look cool. Like that. Zoom. Zombie. Oh. Zomba. E. That's how you spell it, right? That's how you spell, yeah. Alright. Let's go export. Badges. What's the data look like again? Is there like a first time player? First time. Yep. Okay, let's upload these badges. Let's take this over here. Game assets. Yeah. Okay. Z O M B I E. Where do you upload badges? Yes, I think it's in Roblox Studio. Oh, hang on. Here it is. Not in Roblox Studio. Z O M B I E. What? I have to purchase it for 100. That's a bit odd. Let me rename it. Ooh. Okay, these icons don't look the greatest. Did I make them squares or did I not? They are not squares, bro. Okay. Let's make these squares. Mm. Okay, that's the stud, not the actual outline. That should be it. Okay, let's export these guys again. Oh. Alright. ZMIOBE. Delete. Delete. Let's try and do this all again. Oh wow. Yeah, look at these. Isn't that amazing? It's pure art. Open a new tab. Basic settings. Okay, hopefully that's a bit better. Oh, they're really low resolution because they are just really low resolution. What am I doing? Yeah. Oh. Five to 7 days with 16 hour credits per day. And how much is that gonna cost? Create a campaign. Wait, no. Payment settings. Activity. So I want 16, so that's 4,000 a day times 5. 16, 5, 16, 32, 64, 72? Nah, that's not right. $80. Okay, so 21,000 for 5 days, or was it 7 times 60? 112. Okay. That's good to know. Good to know. Alright, back to what I was doing was these. Did I don't think I replaced them yet. Oops. Overwrite. Alright, that's better. Hopefully these icons are... Oh. Okay. M. This one. B. And I. Okay, so now it's 100 per extra badge, and it's probably a good idea that I add a badge for E. So that's 100 whole Robux down the drain. Badges. Create a badge. Upload E. Are you using... Oh, cool, I can just use the group's funds. Cheers. Copy as ID. This one. Um, is there a badge? Yeah, badge service, award, badge async, user ID, badges, E. I, B, M, O, Z. Nice. Let's open up View in Roblox. Cool. Right, because I'm not a first time player. What? Can only be awarded badges in the actual game? Oh. What's this? Huh. It's fine. There's no reason why this wouldn't work. Alright, it's public 3. Published to Roblox. Joining it. There we are. Okay. What? Oh. Maybe we ignored skip wait requests if the timer is less than like 5. Okay. Work on the button to upgrade. Well, those are errors for sure. Let's see. What else was there? Why wasn't the... Oh, right, I know. The name. I changed the name of one of the upgrader buttons, so... Alright. FK for like 2 seconds. I need... I'm back. Alright, no more coffee, mister. Alright. What are we working with? Oh, I don't have the green line underneath my video now. Something seemed to fix itself. That's kind of cool. Yeah, look at that. It's almost good. Just that close, and then it just seems to fail. Was that because I'm using extensions to make it look different, or is that just normal? I don't know. Cool. Oh, forever pack. Let's go. Alright. Say reward equals create. Where do I keep my product IDs for this? This is all done in a separate workspace, so there's a couple of things I'm gonna need to change. Like this. I wish this is how I did it in this, but it's not. It is. Purchase. Okay, I've forgotten what it's called. Ah, right, it's product purchase signal. Okay. Connect function. Don't think we need extra for this one. We'll just rename this reward. Cool. There is also item service. I need a luck service, which sadly need to go. That was really good, man. I could just copy and paste the two services in. Guess that's what I'm gonna do. If I... Did I publish it? Default project. Modules, services. I might be in luck. suppose I'm gonna no, it's item service. Server. I might have to make a couple adjustments to item service. Maybe I shouldn't just... I'm just not going to bring it over. Which is slightly not great. But that's fine. Oh. There's no player now. We'll have to initialize it though. Item service. Unused. Don't I have a reward service for stuff like this? Okay. Dot rewards should be type dot reward info. So can I go reward service, give info. How am I going to visualize the stuff? Because it uses item service. Oh, that's really good. Maybe I do just add in item service. Alright. So I go in here and say something like, item service, register items, crates, where's towers? Hello, towers. Items, register, towers, potions, item service, register items, potions, stock. Okay, shop UI and monetization client need to go. Shop. Add self module element. Element dot parent equals self dot scrolling frame equals 1. Cool. Service monetization service. Okay, we're gonna have to get rid of a lot of these. Shop enums. Is that a thing? I feel like that's just requiring nothing. Oh, it's just a size. Is it done? Okay. Should be good. Oh man. Background transparency. Label. Alright. Where's shop? Where's the rest of the stuff in shop? Oh, yeah. I don't think this is going to work perfectly yet. Is this still using item service? No. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, I forgot. Haven't actually made the IDs yet for it. I don't know how many I'm meant to make of this. It's probably good enough. Where is it? Where is Forever Pack? Yeah. Forever pack 3. Forever pack 4. I don't know. 249. If someone's made it all the way to level 4 of the Forever Pack, they've probably got a lot of Robux to spend in anyway. Modules, oh right, item service, whoops. Oh. Would it be luck service? Is it gonna work now? I don't get it. Why is it not working? Oh, do I have to do player added? Yeah. Nil index was locked. Because I don't have the image IDs. Hopefully it doesn't make me re-upload them all. content ID expected. I got nil. Okay. Slowly we're getting there. Where would that be? Yes. Yep. What's it called in here then? Image icons to arrow. I forgot about the arrow. Okay, that's a good sign. It's not. Oh, here it is. Okay. That's meant to be the lucky crate. But the image isn't there. Well, the general idea is done. Now we need. Wait. Let's see. Item service client get icon is icon. So we go to layer image. So instead of doing it like this, you actually, or not you, just saying, you go table, table, for IV in table do. I think v.icon equals v.image. So, hope that works. Where's towers? Yeah. Alright. There it is. Alright, nice. Now we're gonna make this properly give you the stuff. shouldn't be terrible to do. Yeah. I'll be AFK for like 2 seconds. I need more water. Hello. Okay. Let's make the rewards work. It's gonna be a pretty tricky thing to do, I think. For me, at least. It was working in my other game because I did it in a different way. So, where's my reward service? Yeah. Let's go. Maybe we can see reward info over here. It's probably a better way of doing it. So we say type equals cash. Cash amount equals 100. And this is not a terribly great way of doing it. Oh well. Reward info. Create. Let me get the type up. Item cache, item info. Name equals lucky crate. Item amount equals 1. Basic. Sparkles weight. Sparkles equals false. What crates are there? Is it blazing crate? I don't think it's a blazing crate. Service. This place is flaming crate. Could get a freezing crate in here. I don't really think. Did I make a jump a tiny bit smaller than that? Maybe. 99? 9 exponential 9. $3.5 or yeah, I don't know. I'll say it goes a bit more like that. Cash shouldn't really be a reward, because it's not a terribly great one. Redeem. Reward. Oh. Alright, let's see how that goes. Nice. Okay. Let's get a... Looks like my internet's having a bit of trouble. No, it's back. Alright, seed type potion. That's how it should be. Yeah. Let's just get rid of all of this here. No, potioninfo.name, I guess. Let's hope that works. And let's go. Oh. Back here. Luckier crates I. Road infos, a potion info. Alright, let's go. Let's get clawed up and let's have it just fill it out for me. Throw back info. adding more stuff. Right, while that's doing that, maybe we can make it sound a bit nicer when it... okay, well, that was quick. Okay. Maybe it's not a great idea to have turret crate in, the one. Alright, let's see. Oh wait, no, these are existing. The new one should start appearing. Yeah. That's really cool. I like this. Oh, I know. Okay, let's go to potions or stock. Nice. I don't know. I feel like that's mostly it for the forever pack. Let's terminate. Figma. export the background and use that. Yeah, it's a golden one, so instead of the current one that I've got in. Background. Shop. Okay, let's import this. Decals. Upload. Cool. Where's UI? I don't know why I did it like that, but that's fine. Am I blind? Where is oh. Okay, now we're gonna have to do the layout order as well, and then we're basically done. Okay, nope. What happened? There's no way it can't return get item, no? Am I... What's going on? It could be that I'm initializing it too late. Yeah, where is client? don't get it. Where's... Oh. Hopefully that doesn't break anything. Probably will, but... Okay, we've got to format the amount. Can I just add in like the clock emoji for that? For like the refreshes in? Clock. Nice little alarm clock. Okay, we don't need that. We'll see how it looks. Yeah, not bad. But it should be moved up into the top left corner. So let's do that. Let's get that to 40. 0, 0. 5. Sure, I could probably do 10, 10 maybe actually. Wait. Left. Oops. Don't feel like it's very horizontally aligned. Why? This should be a bit thicker. Maybe I forgot to save it. It's either that or it's a bit too far over. What? Oh, left. Wait, no. Huh? It should be. That should work. What? um. Oh, okay. So I'm stupid. Yeah, it's a bit more like it. We should have all the icons down here in a bar. This is a bit too high, actually. It needs to go down a bit. Sidebar. What if I set its anchor point to 0, 0? So that's too low. That's probably fine. Yeah, I like that. That's good. What else? Right. Those will be the two things, I think. Let's have Claude just do the forever pack, and I'll do the easy thing. Connect and ease authentication. Cool. Where were we going? Sidebar. UI init. Ooh. It's probably this one. Okay. I think after that's done, we're basically done. We'll see though. Oh, in layout order. Featured equals Game Pass is layout order. 0? I don't know. Why did I do it like this? What are these? These guys' layout orders are... Okay, that's just gonna default to 0. So, don't know why I did it like that. Let's take a look. There it is. Yeah, just need the icons. Time to refresh. Sometimes it bounces past one of the icons for some reason, which I don't exactly understand why. Do I allow? Yes. Oh. Let's go. What'd I get? These should have... Maybe I haven't done... Oh, I know, they're inside, yeah. Whoops. I'll fix that. Tory service client? Nah, that's probably over here. Make billboard dot parent equals billboard. Okay. How is the crate set up? Okay. handle. Why am I just passing through the handle? Where am I building? Probably something a bit more like that. So let's take a gander. Yep. It's a bit high for it, no, but it works. Oh, okay. I don't know what AI was thinking, but it's almost there. It got close. I just want these to go in here, though. I'll just tell it, just at the very bottom. Make the up and down a lot slower. Okay. I'm gonna go AFK for a few seconds. Alright. Let's see what AI managed to do. I'm excited. It's better be good. It better be amazing. Spectacular. Guys, come on. Seriously, AI? What are we doing here? Alright, let's... How badly did it change the size of this? Do I get a look at this? 261799. Okay. Where is the... Where's it? It didn't use Fusion? Why? That's just sad. Um, okay. Well, we'll probably have some overlap of size and all. So I might have to make them smaller or whatever. Or get rid of the label that it added in, maybe. I mean, it's almost there. Maybe we could move this up a tiny bit and just get rid of the label. And call it good. It's me. Where is label? I was just at it. Get out of here. What else? Where is my buttons? New 0. Oh no, -20. That's me again. Alright. Wow, look at that. It's almost good, except clip descendants was turned off for some reason. Why'd they do that? Seriously, AI. What are you doing? It's a lot of sparkles. I don't feel like we need all that. And if it's like a phone this far away. Yeah, that's fine. Clip descendants, where is it? silly. Alright, I think that's it for this. Oh, I know, format number. Ka-ching. Alright, nice. I'd say that's pretty well done. Now, yep, I can sell it all. Cool. Is there anything else I need to do? Add sounds. Add more purchase sounds. Like... I feel like I downloaded some nice sounds a bit ago. Sound effects. Unlock. That's a good one. Unlock skill 3. Windows Asset Manager. Game assets. Sound effects. Unlock skill 3. Open. Confirm. Oh, I've already uploaded it. It's fine though. Copy ID. Let's go. Sound service. Unlock. Purchase. Oh no. Unlock skill 3 there. Update forever back. Can we just say sound service client play alright, let's test that out. Nice. That's nice. Cool. Next potion. Right, a potion ran out when it hadn't been added in the first place, which means Potions aren't being added when players join. What? What I in data dot potions do potions info stat name post. Is this like listening to the potions then? Move. We're gonna have to check if there's a buff first. I think that's the issue. Other than that, I don't know what's really going wrong. And I don't really get to think about it. Buff being is it stat? I'm guessing stat's probably what the buff is. Amount data dot boost and source potion. I'm fairly sure this doesn't run if yeah. It's just doing so much unnecessary work though. Every single second. I can't be bothered. It's actually going to be make a like noticeable decrease in performance. I think that's it for today. We've basically gotten everything we need to do done. That's about it probably for the game. So hopefully next time you see a stream, this game is out and ads are up and running. How long was that? That was pretty short. That was like 2 hours. Oh. See you guys next time. Bye.